Everyone, my name is Matthew Marthaler, and today I'll be your teacher here. Because today we're back doing the same thing I did with the Pythagorean theorem. Jeez, that's a trip down memory lane. Anyways, but today we're doing something a little newer. Something a bit more my age group. Naming covalent or molecular compounds. For example, NO2, H2O. Well, isn't that how you say it? No, they have names. And today we're going to figure that out. Now, before you can actually figure that one, these two I'll show you I'm going to use to demonstrate this whole thing. But like, this can go for almost any of them. Do they? Not normally, but they could. That's just what I'm saying. Right? Because, for example, let's do this. Let's do the NO2, right? Well, first of all, you have to know the elements. N. If you don't know the elements, N is. Oh my gosh, this board is not screwed in anywhere, so it's bad. Nitrogen. And O, oxygen. And then I'll just tell you the H for later, which is oh, that's a B. That's a B. That's not what I wanted. Hydrogen. So these are the three elements we're going to be having today. We're going to be using. If you didn't, there's a reason why I have all this space down here. Because this is where I'm going. This is my little place to teach. Up here, stuff you need to know. So if you're going to take notes. Look at how I do up here, because that's how I'm going to do it. So you're always going to have one element, then another, with a prefix on both. Okay. Now, let's start with. So, in order for you to actually do the naming compounds, you have to know. I totally forgot what these are called. But these are basically these are the prefixes that you would add on to words to represent a number. For example, one is mono. Monocular. Monocular. Uni, U-N-I is another one, but in chemistry you don't do that. So, yes, and this is chemistry, by the way. Anyway, so 2 is di, like di. Bi is another one, like bi, for like bicycle, but that's not chemistry. Tricycle. There, it works. Triceratops. I don't know if that even means anything, but like yeah. But then there's 3 so 3 is tri, 4 is tetra, 5 is petra, pentagon. 6 is hexa, or hexagon. 7 is hepta. 8 is octa, or octagon, octopus. 9 is nona. 10 is deca. So yeah. So now that as soon as you know these, if you don't remember them, that's fine. Just go back to the video over and over again, or actually, there's an easy way to figure this out. Like, I'm only showing you 10 out of 100, because like sometimes it's very rare that you have to do like 100. Like, I'm just gonna make one up on the spot. Like Hydrogen 28. 28. Like that. Very, very rare you ever have to do that. Actually, you can. This would be easily. You could easily divide. I'm not gonna get into the math of it, but like, 28. If you add these two together, it makes 30. No, sorry. Add these two together equals 10. Oh yeah, you can't do that. Okay. Never mind. Doesn't work. If it was. Now, if it was another number, it could. That. For example, for this, you would have to use a 28. But again, we're not going to do that. We're not that sophisticated. This only can, basically. So, for example, let's start with H2O. H2O, so hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Huh. How does that work? Well, let's go to a chart, shall we? Well, we can obviously see there's two hydrogens, right? So I'm going to show you how you would actually write that. So you put hydrogen, and then that is that. Now we have to do the oxygen. Give me a second, I'm just going to get another color for this. Yeah. And then you have 1 oxygen. We'll go up here. Okay. 1 or. So 1. Well, one oxygen would just be, is mono. Oh my gosh, it is mono oxide. And you see how there's already an O there? The O that's already there, you just use that for it. So it's really mon, like Monday, but monoxide, but it's monoxide for that. Yeah, okay. So of course that goes to that. Well, okay. Let's move on to another one. Should be simple enough, right? NO2. Well, it should be mononitrogen dioxide, right? No, it's not. Because funny thing is, you never use a prefix if 1 is in the first element. So you would actually just write it nitrogen dioxide. It's probably a more common one that you know. You probably know this. That's cobalt. Cobalt. But CO2 or carbon dioxide, right? Well, carbon dioxide, that's what we breathe out. So, and you know you don't put monocarbon dioxide, that just sounds weird. We meant to put it as an easier way to say it. Now, remember, it can also go the other way. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. For example, remember we can also transfer it back to 1. Tetra. Okay, I'm just drawing a blank of all the different chemicals that I can use. tetra. I cannot spell to save my life. I'll be back. Read back with the textbook. Or not, I don't have a textbook, but I have this nice little book from Erneborn, and I really recommend this book, but like because it has actually a good periodic table in here. Well, that's why. Tetrafluoride, tetrafluorine, oxide. Well, that should be simple, right? Yeah, that should be real simple. Or is it? Now, as far as I know, the easiest way to write it would be using this. So tetra, so it would be. I can't. No. Okay. It'd be F4O8. But I'm pretty sure another way you could actually write this is FO2 with a big 4 in front. What? Whoa! What are you doing? That's another story. The reason why I'm doing that is because a common variable between these two, if you divide them both by 4, is 1 and 2. Well, by doing that, you actually make it an even. You're making it even. But that's a story for another day. So for now, don't ignore this, and just remember. Oh, make sure and just remember. No mono for the first element. Mono, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, hepta, octa, nona, deca. And remember, oh, and something I didn't tell you, which is probably something I should have, is these are non. That says nom. No. Non-metal. Non-metal. This happens for non-metals only. Because the other things are a different story. Until next time, I'm Matthew Marthaler. That has been education. And until next time, bye-bye. So first person to comment down below what N1005 is in the comments below will have a chance to win a Let's Play with me and Cole, which I believe was like $50 on my Patreon. So if you really want to do a Let's Play and you don't have money, this is the best way to go. So I'm Matthew Marthaler. Until next time, bye bye.